Here I have two types of magnesium sulfate. Magnesium sulfate anhydrous means there's no water within this substance. Over here I have the hydrated salt. There is water within the crystal, 7 water molecules for each magnesium sulfate. The textures of the two salts are very different. The anhydrous is powdery chalky. The hydrated form has very nice crystalline structure. In terms of their chemistry, they would react in very similar ways. They're both magnesium sulfate. The big difference is the molar mass. Anhydrous is simply MgSO4, 120 grams per mole. The hydrated salt is the magnesium sulfate plus the mass of the waters, leading to a much higher molar mass.
You'll be using pH paper today. The low numbers, indicated by these red colors, are acidic. The high numbers, indicated by these blue colors, are basic or alkaline. Neutrality is pH 7.
Your lab station should have 2 medium test tubes. These are a fine size to put into the centrifuge. Copper sulfate is a nice blue salt. Sodium hydroxide is a colorless salt. They'll be located next to the scales. NaOH is a very caustic substance to human tissue. It will dissolve your skin if you touch it. So I recommend this as a method for selecting a pellet where you can use forceps to perhaps pick up this piece right here, or maybe that one you don't like, maybe you like this one better. After you have selected the piece that you want, the lid has to go back onto the bottle. If you leave it open to the atmosphere, the sodium hydroxide absorbs moisture and it turns into soup. Later on in the hour, you'll need 1 molar sulfuric acid in these dropper bottles on the buffet table. There will also be a big beaker on the buffet table to recycle copper sulfate, so you'll dump your blue solution in here at the end of the hour.